Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to be creating a simple logo for a perfume brand called Sheila Perfume. Now when you open your Pixel app, you click here to delete this text here. Then we'll go to shape. You can start on a transparent background, but I just want to add a background so that I can be seeing what I'm doing. Then click on OK when you are done, then lock. Now the next we are going to bring in shape again, change the color, now resize it, then click OK. Now I'm going to copy this, copy. Now let me place it very well. So you position it very well. Lock, bring in the other shape. You can use letters or shape to create logo, but ensure that the logo reflects with the brand. I want to create something like a perfume shape. Now I'm going to rotate this, then position it properly. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this same shape again. I'll copy. Make sure you lock your work so that it doesn't move. Now I'm going to use the position key. I want to position it, so I'm going to rotate it and bring it here. Then we should be having something like this. Now I'm going to merge these three together. So you click here, mark what you want to merge together. So I'm going to mark these three, 1, 2, 3. Then after this delete button, after this position, you see this third icon here. It's for you to merge. So you click on it, then click on OK. Now it has merged these three to become one shape. Now I'm going to duplicate it, so I'll copy. Sorry, let me copy again. I don't want to adjust it. Copy. Then let me lock this one. Now I'm going to position this. Then bring this down. Then rotate this to form like a bottle shape. Now I'm going to form another shape that will look like the cover of a perfume. So let me quickly lock this. Then we'll go to shape again, change it to black. Then I'm going to copy this, then position it. You can use your hand if you want to, but I prefer to use the position key so that I don't ruin everything. Then I'm going to rotate this. So I'm going to reduce this a bit. Let me place it properly. Okay, now I'm going to copy the first shape and bring it down. So copy, then position, adjust it. It should not be too wide like the first one. So we'll have something like this. We are going to merge them together again to become one shape. So you click here, click what you want to merge together, then click on merge, click on OK. Now it has formed one shape. Now we're going to position it. You can reduce the size if you want to. Let me copy this thing so that I don't reduce it too much and now be looking for how I'm going to create another one. Then we should have something like this. Now let's arrange this other two shape properly. Look. Okay, now let's position these three shapes. So we're going to click here. Let me load this. Mark what we want to position. Then click this second one close to the delete icon. Click here. Now we'll be able to position it before we write our text. Then when you are through, click on OK. Now let's bring in the name of the brand. So you go to text, click on edit, click on OK. Now we're going to change the color to black. Then let's increase the text size. The next thing, let's make the text bold. So you click on this B to make it bold. Then you can change the font. Now if you take a closer look at this text, it's a bit close. So we're going to add some space to the text for clarity so that someone can easily read it. So we'll go to spacing. We're going to spacing between the letters. So let's add space. You click on this plus sign. I think I'm okay with this theory. Then when you are to click on OK. Now let's bring in the perfume, the text perfume. So you go to text, you can copy this. Click on copy, click on edit. Then let's write perfume. Click on OK. Now we're going to reduce the text size. Of course, there's hierarchy in graphic design. So this is just like a subheading, it's not the main. So we're going to reduce the text size. Let's reduce it. If you want to change the font, you can as well change the font. Now let's paste the words. So you go to spacing. We are spacing between the letters. So you increase it. I want it to fit in under this name. Then you click on done. Now let's add color to this text. So we'll go to texture to bring in the color that we want to add. Then click on OK. You can see the color have changed. We'll add same texture to the other text. Now let's merge our logo, this three shape, let's merge it to one shape then for us to add our texture. So you click here, click on this, then select the shapes 1 2 3, click here to merge, click on OK. Now this shape has become one shape, so we'll go to texture, crop it depending on your preference. When you are done, click on OK. Now you can see now that this shape now has a color as the background. Let's adjust this properly. If you want to reduce the size, you can as well reduce the size. Now let's bring in our background. So you click here, I want to bring background for my gallery, so I'll go to from gallery. You can crop it depending on your preference, then click on OK. Now for us to bring in our background, since we already have a white shape covering the background, we're going to remove it first. So I'll go back, turn this off to remove it. Now you can see now that the black background I brought is now reflecting. So ensure that you save your work as projects. So you go to click here, save as projects. You can use any name, let's say perfume logo or S, then click on OK. Now click here to save your work, click as save as image, save as ultra, then save to gallery. You can as well share if you want to share. So this is a simple way to create a logo. Just ensure that the logo that you are creating aligns with the brand that you are creating for. You can as well use letters to create logo. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below. If you want me to do a detailed tutorial about any graphic design, just let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.